When it comes to business listings, Google My Business is a must-have for all small businesses, especially if you want to show up in a local search. I'm Darlene, and I'm going to show you how to create a Google My Business listing in Digital Marketing Suite. From the dashboard, expand the Social and Listings menu and select Google My Business. For those of you who already have a Google My Business listing, awesome. All you need to do is connect it to the Digital Marketing Suite. But we're going to create a new listing. First, how do you run your business? Are you a store, a service provider who sees customers in person, or an online-only business? Right now, Google My Business listings don't work for online-only businesses, so focusing on SEO is your best bet. We're setting up a business listing for a house painting service, so I'll indicate that we see customers and click Looks Good. Depending on how much information you've entered in Digital Marketing Suite, this page may be auto-populated with your information. If not, just complete any empty fields. The category is the type of business you run. If this is empty, start typing in the field and it will suggest categories. When you're finished, click Next to continue. Next, you're prompted to log into Google. This enables GoDaddy Digital Marketing Suite to access and communicate with Google. We're going to assume that you already have a Google account. If you don't, you can still continue the setup process, though there will be extra verification steps. For this reason, we suggest you create a Google account before setting up your Google My Business listing. To continue, click Yes, Sign In. If you have multiple Google accounts, you'll be asked to select the correct account to connect. The phone number attached to your GoDaddy account may pre-populate on this screen. Just make sure this is the phone number you want customers to use to reach you. If you have an actual brick-and-mortar storefront that customers visit, select Yes. I'm setting my listing up for a service with no storefront, so I'll select No. Next, tell us where your customers are by entering one or more cities or postal codes. Now enter the mailing address for your business. Keep in mind that this address will not display on your listing. It's just being used by Google to verify that your business is legit. As part of the verification process, we need to send you a verification code to the business contact number you provided. Just decide how you want to receive it and click Next. Enter the verification code that you received on this screen and click Next. And that's it. Google starts your verification process and we'll let you know when your business listing is live. I'm Darlene. Thanks for watching.